Got some internal plastic frames that need cleaning. See, there's a patch there that I've started to clean. Well, I have tried using warm soapy water, but it doesn't really want to take this out. Some uPVC cleaners are quite high VOC. So with this being an internal frame, I want to try and avoid that. So I've decided to use something a little bit different. So this is what I'm going to try. Never used these before. I'll give them a go. I've already had a quick go at this bit. With your wipe, wet in an area and slowly just start to increase the pressure. As soon as it starts to work it up. Quite good really. Again, for interior, you want something with low VOC. Quite pleasant to work with really. Depending on how black the plastic is, what I would do is wipe these over with a warm damp cloth, soapy water, just to remove any more black, because again these things they seem to just push it about, not taking it off. They do get down to it and bring it out off the plastic. So we'll have a look after we've done. That's looking pretty good now. Well, you can see the size of these wipes. It took 5 to do that door and frame. There's 36 in this. So you probably go through them fairly quickly. But again, very low VOCs, minimal there. And you don't need to wear gloves when using these. Just wash your hands after use. They really are quite effective. I wasn't so sure at first. Clean dry cloth. Now we can just buff these up. I would say that these are probably better for internal use. Generally, just because I think these would dry up really quickly working with them outside, depending on heat and humidity. But for inside, perfect, low VOC, and you don't need any scouring pads, you don't need to scratch the plastic.